just by eating like a cup and a half of blueberries a day, you can elevate your T cells by like 88%. Okay. And athletes that actually eat blueberries regularly, they just walk around with a higher level of immunity to begin with.
In the world of rejuvenating drinks and health-enhancing foods lies a wealth of health wisdom that few have mastered quite like Mia. Today, we'll be focusing on the 5 food hacks that regenerate stem cells. As you embark on this incredible journey through stem cell enhancement and longevity secrets, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from these life-changing insights, leave a comment about your own health discoveries, and subscribe to join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Together, we can transform lives through the power of nutrition and Dr. William Li's groundbreaking research that Mia has incorporated into her daily routine with astonishing results. At 83 years old, Mia radiates vitality that defies conventional expectations of aging. Her skin glows with youthful luminosity, her mind remains sharp and engaged, and her energy levels would impress people half her age. But this wasn't always her reality. Just 5 years ago, Mia found herself struggling with declining health, chronic inflammation, and a general sense that her best years were behind her. That all changed when she discovered the work of Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician, scientist, and author who has dedicated his career to understanding how food can activate our body's health defense systems, particularly stem cell production. You might be wondering what makes stem cells so special in the first place. These remarkable cells serve as your body's internal repair system, continuously dividing to replenish other cells as long as you remain alive. When you suffer an injury or experience tissue damage due to disease, your stem cells spring into action, transforming into specialized cells with specific functions in bone, muscle, or blood vessels. The challenge is that stem cell production naturally declines with age, which is why finding ways to boost them became Mia's passionate pursuit. Dr. William Li brings impressive credentials to this field of nutritional science. As the president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, he has pioneered research on how foods can influence blood vessel growth, immune response, and stem cell regeneration. His book, Eat to Beat Disease, has transformed how many people approach their daily nutrition, shifting from a restrictive mindset to one that celebrates the addition of healing foods. You might have seen Dr. Li sharing his insights on platforms like TED Talks, where his presentation on anti-angiogenic foods has garnered millions of views worldwide. The transformation in Mia's life began with a simple cup of tea. Not just any tea, but a carefully selected green tea rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate egg. This morning ritual changed everything for me, Mia often tells her friends and family. Green tea became her first food hack after learning that its compounds could potentially stimulate stem cell production. You can easily incorporate this practice by replacing your morning coffee with high-quality green tea, allowing it to steep for at least 5 minutes to extract maximum benefits. Mia drinks 3 cups throughout her day, spacing them between meals for optimal absorption. Berries became Mia's second powerful food hack, with blueberries taking center stage in her daily nutrition plan. These tiny fruits pack an impressive punch when it comes to enhancing stem cell function. The anthocyanins that give blueberries their vivid color also protect your existing stem cells from oxidative damage, while simultaneously supporting the production of new ones. Your body responds dramatically when you consume at least half a cup of mixed berries daily, as Mia discovered when she began incorporating them into her breakfast smoothies and afternoon snacks. She expanded beyond blueberries to include strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries for a broader spectrum of phytonutrients. The third food hack that revolutionized Mia's stem cell production came from incorporating specific mushroom varieties into her meals. Reishi, shiitake, and lion's mane mushrooms contain beta-glucans and other compounds that support your immune system, while potentially enhancing stem cell mobilization. You might find adding mushrooms challenging if you're not accustomed to their flavor profile, but Mia discovered creative ways to include them in soups, stir-fries, and even morning omelets. The earthy richness they bring to dishes transformed her culinary experience, while simultaneously rebuilding her cellular health. Omega-3 fatty acids form the foundation of Mia's fourth food hack, primarily sourced from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout your body, creating an optimal environment for stem cell function. Your cells require these fatty acids to maintain proper membrane fluidity and signaling capabilities. Mia ensures she consumes fatty fish at least twice weekly, complemented by plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. This combination provides her with both EPA and DHA forms of omega-3s, which work synergistically to support cellular regeneration. The fifth and perhaps most surprising food hack Mia implemented involved purple sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers contain unique compounds that Dr. Lee's research suggested could enhance stem cell migration to areas needing repair. Your taste buds and cells alike will appreciate the anthocyanins and other bioactive compounds found in these colorful potatoes. Mia bakes them whole, incorporates them into stews, or transforms them into delicious mashed sides that complement numerous main courses. Within months of adding purple sweet potatoes to her regular meal rotation, she noticed significant improvements in her skin elasticity and wound healing capacity. What truly separates Mia's approach from fad diets is her consistency and strategic food combining. She created what she calls stem cell synergy plates that incorporate at least 3 stem cell boosting foods in a single meal. You can replicate this approach by designing meals that combine these powerful ingredients in delicious ways. For instance, a dinner of baked salmon with mushroom risotto and roasted purple sweet potatoes delivers a triple boost to your stem cell production. Mia emphasizes that the consistent daily inclusion of these foods matters more than occasional large quantities. Beyond specific foods, Mia discovered that certain eating patterns enhanced her results. Intermittent fasting became part of her routine after learning that periods of caloric restriction can trigger autophagy, a cellular cleaning process that removes damaged components and improves stem cell function. Your body activates powerful regenerative mechanisms during shorter fasting windows of 14 to 16 hours. Mia typically finishes dinner by 6 in the evening and doesn't eat again until 8 or 9 the following morning, giving her cells this valuable restoration time while she sleeps. Hydration plays an equally important role in Mia's stem cell boosting strategy. She learned from Dr. Lee that proper hydration optimizes blood circulation, nutrient delivery, and waste removal at the cellular level. Your stem cells function optimally in a well-hydrated environment. Mia drinks purified water infused with lemon, cucumber, or berries throughout the day, aiming for approximately 2 liters daily. She avoids excessive caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate tissues and potentially suppress stem cell activity. The mental aspects of healing became increasingly apparent as Mia continued her health transformation. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which can inhibit stem cell production and function over time. Your nervous system significantly influences cellular regeneration processes. Mia incorporated daily meditation, gentle yoga, and nature walks to manage stress levels and support her nutritional approach. These practices complemented her dietary changes and created a comprehensive lifestyle that nurtured stem cell activity from multiple angles. Within 6 months of implementing these 5 food hacks and supportive practices, Mia noticed remarkable changes. Her chronic joint pain diminished substantially, her cognitive clarity improved, and friends commented on her radiant complexion. Medical tests revealed improvements in inflammatory markers and immune function. Your body might respond similarly when given the proper nutritional building blocks for regeneration. Mia emphasizes that patience and consistency proved essential, as cellular regeneration occurs gradually rather than overnight. Dr. Lee often explains that stem cell enhancement represents just one aspect of food's healing potential. Foods that boost stem cells typically offer multiple benefits by simultaneously supporting your immune system, encouraging healthy blood vessel formation, enhancing microbiome diversity, and protecting DNA integrity. You receive comprehensive health protection when focusing on these nutrient-dense whole foods rather than isolated supplements. Mia experienced this firsthand as her initial focus on stem cells expanded into broader improvements across multiple health parameters. Community support played an invaluable role in Mia's journey. She joined a cooking group dedicated to preparing stem cell boosting recipes, which provided accountability and inspiration during challenging times. Your success could similarly benefit from connecting with others who share your health goals. Mia now leads monthly cooking demonstrations in her community center, spreading Dr. Lee's wisdom while creating connections among health-conscious individuals. The ripple effect of her transformation touches countless lives as others witness her vitality and adopt similar practices. The financial accessibility of these food hacks particularly appeals to Mia. Unlike expensive stem cell therapies or exotic supplements, these foods remain relatively affordable and widely available. You can implement these changes regardless of your budget by prioritizing seasonal produce and shopping strategically. Mia recommends starting with just one food hack if implementing all 5 simultaneously feels overwhelming. Even small, consistent changes can yield meaningful results over time as your body responds to improved nutritional signals. As Mia reflects on her remarkable journey from declining health to vibrant aging, she feels profound gratitude for discovering these life-changing principles. Her story continues to evolve as she refines her approach and incorporates new research findings. Your own health story remains unwritten, with endless possibilities for regeneration and renewal. If you found value in these insights, please support our community by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more health wisdom, sharing this information with someone who could benefit, and commenting below about which food hack you plan to try first. Together, we can build a movement of health and vitality that transforms lives at any age through the power of regenerative nutrition.